Set in one of Sukhumvit's most desirable pockets, the Estelle Phrom Phong is understated luxury, calm lines, considered materials, and amenity-rich living designed for day-to-day comfort. Welcome to this beautiful unit inside the Estelle Phrom Phong. This is practical, refined living in one of Bangkok's most desirable neighborhoods. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath layout with an open living core that connects directly to the balcony. Bright, efficient, and very easy to live in. What I like about this unit is the flow and layout. The floor plan gives you separation where you need it and open living where it counts. When a plan reads clean like this, it holds value for owners living here long-term and for renters who want comfort without wasted space. Both investors and end users alike will appreciate the finishes on this home. It's not only high quality, but it will stand the test of time. Notice the material palette. Warm timber tones, muted joinery, and clean detailing. It's a style that doesn't chase trends, and it tends to age well over time. A 2-bedroom unit like this is suitable for multiple buyers, whether you have a young family or a couple wanting an extra bedroom or an investor seeking long-term rental demand. Two-bedroom units in this location often sit in a strong demand band, practical for real living and consistently appealing for long-term rental profiles. Another feature that I'm quite fond of with this unit is this floor-to-ceiling glass slider. It not only gives you the indoor-outdoor living, but it opens up to this beautiful view of downtown Bangkok. That indoor-outdoor connection changes the entire feel of the home. More light, more air, and a sense of space that's hard to replicate in dense city living. And beyond the unit, the building amenities add real lifestyle value. Spaces that extend your home, fitness, pool time, quiet work corners, and places to reset without leaving the property. Prompong remains one of Bangkok's most resilient lifestyle neighborhoods, walkable, connected by BTS, and supported by high-quality retail and dining that keeps demand strong. If you're looking for a practical, refined Bangkok base that's simple to own and a pleasure to live in, reach out to us today.